Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with the JHHF Smart Ceiling Fan. If you're in the market for a versatile, efficient, and stylish addition to your home, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by highlighting what makes the JHHF Smart Ceiling Fan stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, this isn't your average ceiling fan. It's equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control it with ease from your smartphone or tablet. But that's not all. This fan also boasts compatibility with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control over your cooling and lighting experience. Whether you're lounging on the couch or whipping up a storm in the kitchen, adjusting your fan settings is as simple as issuing a voice command. Now, let's talk about the features that truly set this fan apart. With its sleek and modern design, the JHHF Smart Ceiling Fan is a stylish addition to any room. But it's not just about looks. This fan is packed with functionality. First up, let's talk about lighting. The JHHF Smart Ceiling Fan features dimmable LED lights with 3 color temperature options: white, neutral, and warm. Whether you're looking to create a bright and energizing atmosphere or a cozy and inviting ambiance, this fan has you covered. But what about airflow? Fear not. This fan comes equipped with 6 different speed settings, allowing you to customize your comfort level with precision. Plus, it features a reversible motor, making it suitable for use year-round. In the summer, it helps to keep you cool by circulating air, while in the winter, it can help to distribute heat more evenly throughout the room. And let's not forget about convenience. Thanks to its smart scheduling capabilities, you can program the fan to turn on and off at specific times, ensuring that you always come home to the perfect temperature. Plus, with its included remote control, you can make adjustments from anywhere in the room with ease. In conclusion, the JHHF Smart Ceiling Fan is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home's cooling and lighting systems. With its Bluetooth connectivity, voice control capabilities, stylish design, and impressive array of features, it's the ultimate combination of form and function. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, stay cool and stay connected.